what? The 1st?
I guess it is.
Today's the 1st of August. The dogs got their first 2 treats.
Excuse me.
Shh, we're doing a video. Doggies got their first 2 treats. Yams.
There's Missy. There's Missy. Hey, look at Huckleberry.
McKinley. Look at McKinley chewing on her
Sweet potato.
sweet potato or yam. Sweet potato treat. And who's that way back there? Maddie.
Ow.
Maddie's chewing on her sweet potato treat.
And Huckleberry needs to go back so he can get put his shoes. Alright, see, he's right there. If he needs to go get his treat.
There's Lola chewing on her sweet potato treat. There's Missy saying, I don't want a treat, I want out, I want to play.
And Huckleberry
And we're going to go over here, and there's Huckleberry with Nicholas. Oh, give Huckleberry a kiss, Nicholas. Ooh, give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Oh. Oh, Nikki giving Huckleberry kisses. And that's Hope. And Sean. There's Mommy, Melanie, and Faith.
Yes, I see you're getting Sean kisses too, aren't you?
And the puppies are enjoying their nice cool day in the house instead of 112 degrees outside.
Okay.
Instead of puppy food, they're eating their puppy food, but they're also doing treats now. And these are yams, sweet potato treats.
No preservatives added.
No preservatives added, just plain sweet potatoes cut up like French fries. And they're going to town.
Oh,
Okay.
Huckleberry's giving Mickey a hug.
Zoom out, you can see them all eating them. Lola! Lola! Hello, Lola! That's Maddie. Oh, she found a sweet potato treat. She found another one.
Yeah, she found Huckleberry.
Oh, look at there. She likes that.
Okay.
They're loving their first treats.
Gently.
And again, today's August 1st,
Okay.
2010. Let's go find Lola. Lola, Lola. Lola, Lola. She's saying, let me out. Let me out. Here comes Huckleberry. And the big dogs, of course, they went in there because they want the treats. Alright, that's it for today. August 1st, 2010. All the dogs and the puppies are locked up in their play area.
Okay, Huckleberry found the treat.
Enjoying their treats. Move, let me get one more quick picture of Huckleberry. Where's Huckleberry?
Huckleberry with that one.
Oh, he dropped it.
Yeah, he's ignoring it.
They're too busy seeing. Because they want to play output the big dogs. Alright, goodbye everybody. Say goodbye everybody. Goodbye. Goodbye. McKinney. McKinney. Hello McKinney. Hello Huckleberry. Hello Maddie. Good boy, Sean.